Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man tabi'ahum bi ihsanin ila yaumiddin wa ba'd. Ayyuhal ikhwa wal akhawat, jama'ana Allahu al-yawm fi hadha al-masa' fi maddati
Pengantar sains.
al-madkhal ila al-ulum al-islamiyah. In Malay, pengantar sains Islam. So we are going to study from this week until the last week the subject so-called Introduction to the Islamic Sciences. Okay. Perhaps you know that there is modern science. In another hand, there is Islamic science. So, what are differences between two sciences, modern and Islamic sciences? Okay, this kind of knowledge, okay, you will study it in this subject and many more. Yeah, and today I am going to introduce myself, and I also tend to listen from you, knowing you, understanding you. So you also will introduce yourself, ya. Bak kata pepatah Melayu, if we know each other, we love each other. If we love each other, we bless each other. Okay? And I am going to use blended languages, which is Arabic and English. So you should enhance your Arabic skill. How good your Arabic is, I will identify later on. Okay. Who among you know me already?
Ni doktor.
Huh?
Ni. Wafiq.
Oh, Wafi. Oh, Wafi is my neighbor. Iya kan Wafi?
Ya doktor.
Okay lah. So Wafi is the first one who will introduce himself after me lah. So let me introduce myself to you all lah. Okay, my name is Dr. Muhammad Widusempo from Indonesia, from Makassar, South Celebes, Sulawesi Selatan. Do you know the island that I am coming from? If you look at the world map, can you identify my island?
No.
How many times you look at world map? Okay, my island looks like a letter K. Macam huruf K tu. Okay. Jadi saya ini suku Bugis Melayu. Ada tak di antara kalian suku Bugis? Ada?
Ada, doktor.
Tak ada? Kalau ada PM tepi aku, hoi.
Ada.
Siapa? Siapa? Tak ada ke? Ada ke tak ada?
Ada, doktor.
Siapa kalau ada? Cakaplah. Okeylah. Okay, my name is Dr. Muhammad Widus. Okay. I am the student of the pondok. Like you all lah. Okay, starting from Sanawiyah, yeah. I studied Islamic knowledge in the Pondok Darul Da'wah Irsyad. So the likes of Tafsir Al-Jalalain, Riyadus Salihin, Matnu Al-Jurumiyah, Irsyadul Ibad are familiar for us. Okay, we reading continuously those book. Ya, macam apa ni, Tafsir Al-Jalalain. 2 times I finish this book in my pondok lah. After that, I continue my study in Al-Azhar University. Okay, 13 years all spent there. Oh, lama betul aku di Kahira. Okay. Degree, master and PhD all in one completed there in the Faculty of Usuluddin Quranic Interpretation Program. So kalian jangan main-main dengan saya dengan tafsir lah. Memang kepala ini kepala tafsir. Okay. 13 tahun belajar tafsir di sana. Okay. Okay, I think it is enough for this time being, and I would like to hear you all. Okay, but I think it is the time is not enough to hear you all. Tapi saya akan pilih beberapa sajalah. Okay, adapun the rest we will know each other later on lah, insyaallah ya. Sebab dalam apa ini, waktu kita 2 jam sebenarnya, tapi dalam online ini saya hanya bagi 1 jam. The rest time saya akan bagi masa kalian to discuss ya. Saya akan bagi tugasan-tugasan kecil je. You do in your teamwork, okay, and you pass to me your work later on lah, not today but the next week insyaallah. So we are going to hear Wafiq. Jadi Wafiq akan Wafiq sayuqaddimu nafsah yu'arrifuna man huwa. Okay, Wafiq sayadhkuru aina huwa sakin, aina huwa yaskun. Jadi Wafiq akan bagi tahu kita nama dia, sekolah dia di mana, dia duduk di mana, dan dia Melayu. Kalau Melayu tulen ke tak tulen? Kalau tak tulen, Melayu Banjar ke, Melayu Jawa ke, Melayu Bugis ke, Melayu Arab ke, Melayu, sebutlah. Kalau bukan Melayu, kena sebut India ke atau Cina atau Korea ke, sebutlah. Okey. So Wafiq, Muhammad Wafiq, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ustaz, blended language, Ustaz.
You can use two languages, Arab and English, or only one language.
Oh,
Arab
alright.
or English. Mana-mana boleh.
My name is Muhammad Wafiq bin Muhammad Fauzi. I live in Nilai. Okay. Saya orang Melayu. Melayu tapi ada keturunan darah Arab. Yaman.
Jadi kalau akhwat ada yang cari darah-darah Arab Yaman, Wafiq lah tu.
Oh.
Promo sikit Wafiq
Baru.
Okay, Wafiq ini is very good student. Every prayer subuh, I see him. Okay, we do prayer together in the same surah. Okay, jadi if the sisters looking for the humble person doing worship to Allah, the man you are looking for is Wafiq lah. Okay, Ainul Mardiyah. Sila Ainul.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dengar ke?
Okay.
اسمي عين المرضية بنت خير أزهى. أسكن من فرليس. أنا ماليزي. Jawa dengan Jawa dengan Banjar.
Oh, Jawa dengan Banjar. Kabare?
Waras, alhamdulillah.
Waras? Okay, Ainul. Okay. Abbas Sakib.
My name is Abbas Akib. Abbas Akib bin Muhammad Nizam. I live at Kelantan. I'm fully Melayu.
Fully Melayu, okay.
Tanya apa cakap apa?
Okay. Ahmad Muaz.
21.
Ahmad Muaz. Okay, Ahmad Nazran. Ain Sofia. Sila Ain.
Naam, Ustaz. My name is Ain Sofia binti Rosli. I live in Pahang, Jerantut Pahang. I'm fully Melayu.
Okay. Ain Syahira.
Naam, Ustaz. My name is Ain Syahira binti Ismail Dazlan. I live in Kuala Kangsar, Perak. I am fully Malay.
Okay. Ain Shazwani.
Nah, Ustaz. My name is Ain Shazwani binti Muhammad Ragli. I live in Selangor. And I'm fully Malay.
Okay. Atira.
Naam Ustaz. My name is Atira binti Asri. I live in Selangor. I am Malay Jawa.
Oh, Jawa. Do you still practice the Java language in your home with your mother, father, brothers, sisters?
Just a little bit only.
A little bit.
Sikit-sikit je.
So you can speak and listen the Malay well, huh?
Yes.
Jawa, eh?
Yes.
Oh, good. You should keep this apa ini this language because it is your identity as Jawa people. Don't lose it.
Yes.
Don't lose it and don't make it leave you. Okay, keep it well
Okay.
and practice it every day with your family, even with your colleagues. Okay, coming from
Okay.
the same tribe. Okay.
Okay, Ustaz.
Bukanlah kita fanatik perkauman, tapi identiti itu kena jaga, hoi. Okay. Atika Ilyani.
Assalamualaikum Ustaz.
Ya.
Ismi Atika Iyani. Wa ana min Singapura. Ana Melayu lah. Fully Melayu.
Okay, fully Melayu. Okay. Duratu Syahira.
My name is Duratu Syaira binti Muhammad Amir. I live in Selangor. Fully Malay. Malay Jawa.
Oh, Jawa juga. Still practicing Jawa?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Don't forget it, oi.
InsyaAllah.
Yeah, because it is your identity. Okay, the Jawa people have a custom, have adat. Okay, and it is in line with the Islam. So we practice it, we keep it as long as not contradict with the Islamic values. Okay.
Okay.
Fatima.
Yes. My name is Fatima Azafira binti Mayani. I live in Kajang, Selangor. And I am pure Malay.
Okay, pure Malay.
Yep.
Fatin Nur Akilah.
Assalamualaikum Doktor. My name is Fatin Akilah binti Muhammad Nuri. I live Sik Kedah. I'm fully Malay.
Okay. Terima kasih. Fatin Syahira.
My name is Fatin Syahira binti Muhammad Mohni. I stay at Gulai, Johor. I am fully Malay.
Okay, fully Malay. Hanis Akilah.
My name is Hanis Akilah binti Amansyah. I live in Negeri Sembilan and I'm fully Malay.
Oh, Negeri Sembilan. Where is it in Negeri Sembilan?
Rembau.
Oh, Rembau. Okay. So, may I visit you in Raya makan rendang?
Can.
Gurau je. Okay, Hanan Afifah.
Hanan Afifah binti Muhammad.
Hanis Akilah sudah ke? Hanis Akilah sudah ke? Hah?
Yes.
Okay, so sekarang Hanan Afifah, sila.
Afifah binti Muhammad Noor. I live in Kelantan. I'm fully Malay.
Okay, dari Kelantan ya. Okay, Hasika.
My name is Hazika Aini binti Lee. I am from Pasir Putih, Kelantan, and I am pure Malay.
Okay. Ikhwan.
Naam, Doktor. My name is Ikhwan Najmi bin Samsul Rafzi. I'm from Negeri Sembilan. I'm fully Malay.
Where is it?
Negeri Sembilan.
Iyalah.
Oh, iyalah. Rembau.
Oh, Rembau.
Yeah.
So you know Hanis? Hanis
No.
also from Negeri Sembilan, Rembau.
Oh, yeah. I don't know her.
You don't know her.
Yeah.
So from now you should know Hanis because
Inshallah.
both you all from the same location. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Iliana. Iliana. Okay. Intan Izzati.
Maaf Ustaz. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Intan Izzati binti Muhammad Naim. I live in Kuala Selangor, Selangor, and I'm Malay.
Okay. Khairul Amar.
My name is Khairul Ahmad Idham bin Khairul Anwar. I live in I live at Petanan Jaya, Selangor. I am Melayu Banjar.
Oh, Banjar ya. Okay, from your picture, I know that you love adventure.
That my village.
Oh, cantik hon. Muhammad Azmi.
My name is Muhammad Azmi bin Muhammad Suhadi. I live in Jerantuk, Pahang. I am fully Malay plus Jawa.
Oh, Jawa ya. Masih boleh cakap Jawa ke?
Sikit-sikit.
Oh, don't forget it. Practice it with your friends. Okay, from the same kabila. Okay, it is your identity. Don't lose it. Because if you lose it, your children also will lose it. Okay? Muhammad Faisal. Muhammad Hakimi.
Assalamualaikum Doktor.
Ya, Waalaikumsalam.
My name is Muhammad Hakimi bin Zakira Talib. I am live Padang Rengas, Perak. I am fully Malay. Okay.
Muhammad Ikram.
Yes, Doctor. My name is Muhammad Ikram bin Abdul Latif. I'm from Nilai Negeri Sembilan. I am fully Malay.
You Malay Padang ke or fully Malay? Engkau Malay Padang ke atau fully Malay?
Fully Malay.
Oh, because in Negeri Sembilan, most of people are Malay Padang, ya kan? Okay, Ikram, where is it in Negeri Sembilan?
In Nilai, Doktor.
Oh, Nilai. So you know Wafi,
Yes, yes.
So you are close friend lah.
Yes, Doktor.
Good.
I and Wafiq same school.
Oh, same school, Masya Allah. Okay, di mana dinilai tu?
Di Desa Indah, Doktor.
Oh, engkau di Desa Indah. Okay, indah lah hidup engkau tu. Okay. Nice to meet you. Muhammad Nabil.
Okay, thank you, Doktor.
Assalamualaikum, Doktor.
Waalaikumsalam.
My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Muhammad Taaruf. I live Sungai Duang, Pulau Pinang.
Pulau Pinang?
Fully Malay.
Oh, Pulau Pinang Okay. Ahlan wa sahlan. Muhammad Ridwan.
My name is Muhammad. I live in Kendang, Kedah. I'm fully Malay.
Oh, Kedah Masya Allah. Muhammad Sakhawi.
My name is Muhammad Sakhawi Adli bin Jeffrydin. I live at Langkawi, Kedah. I'm pure Malay.
Okay, Langkawi, I visited Langkawi 2 times lah. The last time when my book 27 Haiwan Istimewa launched there in the mall. The book launching was programmed by Usim Publisher, okay, together with the Lada.
Lada.
Lada. Nice place to visit. Langkawi, very beautiful. Okay.
Ya.
Dan saya kalau ke Langkawi itu memang rugi kalau tak makan laksa 1 ekor. Oh, kau tahu tak laksa 1 ekor itu di mana?
Pada Mak Sirat.
Yang dekat pantai itu kan?
Pantai Cenang.
Dekat dengan airport kan? Oh ya Allah, memang tak jumpa laksa macam tu di
sana sedap.
Di Nilai di Negeri Sembilan. Sedap tu laksanya, ya Allah. Kalau aku ingat laksa itu aku macam nak ke Langkawi lagi. Okay. If I visit Langkawi, I will inform you. Okay.
Never mind.
Siapa nama kau? Muhammad Sakhawi
Ya.
Okay. Di Langkawi di mana kau tinggal? Duduk?
Kuah Langkawi. Dekat dengan terminal feri tu.
Oh, dekat dengan terminal feri Maknanya dekat dengan pesisir pantai lah.
Tak dekat juga tapi apa kawasan tu lah.
InsyaAllah kalau aku ke sana kita bolehlah bakar-bakar ikan dekat pantai tu Sakhawi.
InsyaAllah.
Okey, Sakhawi. Muhammad Muhaimin.
Yes, Ustaz. My name is Muhammad Muhaimin Biarun. I from Perak and I'm fully Malay but my father born in Thailand.
Oh. So you boleh cakap Thailand ke?
Tak.
Okay, Munirah.
Me. My name is Munirah binti Jemain. I live in Samarahan, Sarawak. I am Malay Bugis.
Malay apa?
Malay Bugis.
Oh, Malay Bugis, saudariku. You are my sister, Munira. You can speak Bugis, Munira?
Only a few words.
Oh, ya Allah, aku jealous lah. Kenapa cuma few words? Agak kareba.
At home, Medece.
Agak kareba itu in our Bugis language meaning apa kabar?
Yes.
So if I ask people in Bugis agak kareba, okay, so the answer is madeceng. Madeceng itu kabar baik. Hai Munira. Munira, keep it your Bugis, Munira.
InsyaAllah.
Oh, don't leave it. Practice it in your home. Even with me, if you call me, don't use it English, don't use it Arabic, just use it Bugis. Okay?
InsyaAllah.
You can visit me in my office and we practice Bugis. And I belanja engkau,
InsyaAllah.
Okay. Orang tua masih hidup ke, Munira?
Yes, betul.
Oh, masih hidup semua ya? Orang tua kalau di rumah pakai bahasa apa? Bahasa Bugis atau tak?
Kalau dekat rumah bahasa Melayu.
Oh.
Kalau ayah Bugis. Ayah kalau temu dengan saudara Bugis, baru cakap Bugis.
Oh, mak engkau orang apa?
Melayu.
Oh, Melayu. Okey, salamlah sama bapa engkau. Cakap ada kawan Bugis engkau nak jumpa engkau. Agora je. Okey, Nadira.
My name is Nadra binti Ahmad Marzuki. I'm from Kajang, Selangor.
Oh.
I descended Malay Champa.
Malay?
Malay Champa.
Oi. Champa itu maknanya Kamboja lah
Betul.
Oh, ada keturunan Kamboja ke? Ha? Nadira?
Betul-betul.
Oh, bapa engkau atau mak engkau?
Dua-dua.
Oh, dua-duanya. Okey. Last year I visited Cambodia, Champa lah. Because we have a student from there, Rokia. Do you know Rokia? Rokia is our student and graduated already and dia akan kongko bulan 4 ini lah. We visited Champa, very nice place, kampung very nice, and the people also very nice, Okay, I think it is the last one, Nasura binti Azmi.
My name is Nazura binti Azmi. My hometown in Pahang, but currently I am in Klang, and I am pure Malay.
Okay, thank you for a student who presented themselves, introduced themselves among us, in front of us, and the rest, I apologize, okay, very sorry because the time is so limited, even though we have 2 hours actually, but in the online class, I just teach you 1 hour and the rest the time will given to you to discuss among you all, what had been done in the class, So for the rest, inshallah, we will know each other, okay, later on, inshallah, yeah. My door, my windows are open for you 24 hours. Okay, if you have an issue related to this subject or another issue, okay, you can discuss it with me. I open for you, okay. I am ready to help you, to support you. Okay, just come in and visiting me. I open the door for you and we will discuss together. Yeah. Okay. This subject is very important, according to me lah. And the book published in this subjects are written by me. Okay, written by me when I was in Institut Sains Islam. Okay, sebagai timbalan lah. We produce this book, okay, together with colleagues like Prof. Norita, Prof. Radi, Dr. Mashita, and Dr. Latifa. So 5 authors, okay, including me, written this book, yeah. And this book, alhamdulillah, published already by using publisher 2019 kalau saya tak silap ya, 2019 ya. So if you want to purchase this book, you can visit kedai buku USIM ya di pusat komersil, and you can also purchase this book online. You just type in Google pengantar sains Islam, okay, Google will take you into Shopee, okay, because the book okay sold in Shopee. So two ways you can get this book, okay, by Shopee or visit kedai buku USIM in pusat komersil. And this book, alhamdulillah, was translated in English, okay, but in e-book version. There is no physical book, just e-book, yeah, bentuk PDF lah. And you can purchase in e-central. So you just type in Google introduction to Islamic science, and the Google will show you the link, okay, direct to e-central, okay. And the slide will be given to you in English version, okay, based on the English book, yeah. So you can rely on the 2 types of book, whether it is Malay version or English version. Okay, the content is the same. Okay, just different languages lah. Okay, so hopefully by next week you all get this book, ya. Sebab saya masih ingat lah ketika aku belajar di pondok, kalau ada seorang pelajar, sebab dulu kita halakah kan duduk bersila mengaji di depan tok guru lah di masjid. Kalau ada pelajar yang tak duduk mengaji depan tok guru tapi tak pegang buku, tok guru selalu kata, engkau mengaji malaikat ke? Sebab malaikat tak ada buku. Itu ya, jadi saya harap kalian, I hope you all get this book, dan janganlah mengaji macam malaikat mengaji, tak ada buku. Okay. Okay. Okay, and I tend to tell you the event last week when the Timbalan Menteri Pengajian Tinggi Malaysia, Datuk Dr. Usman visited USIM. Okay. Dr. Fasli who is the coordinator of this subject, presented the product of student for Islamic science from their activities. What is it? Poster of Islamic scholars. Nanti saya akan bagi tunjuk ko ya. Last year, okay, the students that taken this subject given by lecturers a task to make a portrait, a picture of Islamic scholars. The biography of Islamic scholars, the timeline of their life. Macamlah saya sebagai contoh Ibn Sina. Who is Ibn Sina? What is his biography? What is his timeline of life? What is his work? What is the famous work of Ibn Sina? Macam itulah. And very interesting because Timbalan Menteri Dato' Usman at that time purchased this product. Jadi selepas after presenting all those Islamic scholars, okay, in front of him, he finally chosen the picture, the biography, the portrait of Hamka. Okay, Hamka. Jadi pelajar yang buat ini, okay, they studied Hamka very well from the many sources lah. Okay, telling briefly who is Hamka actually. He is the famous ulama in Nusantara, and he has many works. He has many books, but the famous one is Tafsir Hamka. So the student tell us briefly about Tafsir Hamka. What is the content and what is the history behind the Tafsir Hamka, etc. lah, macam tu. And you all will do the same project. Okay, we'll do the same project. Kalian daripada program apa ya?
Quran Sunnah.
Quran Sunnah.
Okay, Quran Sunnah. So you all will be given the same task with the previous student last year to do poster for Islamic scholars. Tapi dalam bidang apa? Bidang Quran dan Sunnah. So you boleh lah, you can choose ulama in tafsir, you can choose ulama in hadis, macam lah. Sebagai contoh lah, Imam Bukhari. Who is Imam Bukhari? Because he is well known in the field of hadis study. He is our imam. He is our leader in hadis. He has many works, but the famous one is Sahih al-Bukhari. So what is Sahih al-Bukhari? You should describe, you should tell us briefly what is Sahih al-Bukhari. Okay, by referring many sources lah. Macam tu. And jadi I will pass to you the project, yeah, the project done by your friends last year. Jadi dia buat dalam bentuk barcode, yeah. You just scan the barcode, and you will and they will show you all the Islamic scholars done by them lah. And you just complete this project later on. Okay? Sekejap lagi aku bagi tu ya. You just scan itu barcode ya. So because You are in the Islamic Science University, so you should know what is Islamic science. Okay, what are features make Islamic science different, distinguished from the modern sciences. Okay, macam tu lah. Jadi I think it is enough for today. So for the rest time, I have you all from now to establish a small group. Each group just consists 5 or 6%, and this group will exist until the last week of our our study. So from now, you call each other. Okay, you establish your group. Each group should consist not less than 5 5 members, 5 members until 6 member macam tu jadi sekarang boleh bentuklah grup to each you all to do your works because many works will be done together kerja jama'i. Okay, I think it is enough and see you all inshallah next time. And our class today I will upload into your YouTube, and I will pass the link in the group, and please like and subscribe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.